Welcome to the tutorial on Connect Store Pipeline. In this tutorial, you will learn how to easily adapt and create a downloaded asset. First, type Connect into the search bar. This will take you to the Connect homepage. Once you're in the store, you'll see a lot of items. From the Connect official, you can download a free item that you can apply directly to your default avatar in Marvelous Designer. Block FV2 is the default female avatar in Marvelous Designer. Block MV2 is ready to use on the default male avatar in Marvelous Designer. You can click Show All on Block FV2 to see more items. Select the items you want and click the Add to Cart button to add them to your cart. Once you've added everything to your cart, check the price and download the assets. Extract the downloaded asset folder. Load the female avatar you want in the Marvelous Designer. We will hide the library window so that you can see the screen better. You can load it via Main Menu, File, Open, Garment, or you can also immediately drag and drop the unzipped file and it will load. Click Yes if you want to load the poses contained in the file as they are. If you want to keep the current pose, click No to load the garment. I'm going to click No to keep my current pose. In the 2D pattern window, select the AutoFit icon to automatically fit the garment to the size of the avatar. Please refer to the manual for more information. In the 3D window, you'll see if your avatar is properly dressed. Right-click in the 2D pattern window, click Optimize all curve points and reduce the curve points. We will use the Edit Pattern tool to modify the shape of the pattern. Modify the pattern shape of the shoulder lines and armholes. Press the keyboard spacebar to simulate it and see it in the 3D window. To create the sleeve pattern, we will use Rectangle to create a rectangular pattern of the desired size. Use the free sewing tool to attach the pattern. At this point, select one segment line and press the Shift to sew multiple patterns on one pattern. Press the spacebar on your keyboard in between to simulate. Feel free to modify the sleeve pattern to your liking. Press the spacebar on your keyboard in between to simulate. You can see how your sleeve pattern will look in the 3D window and modify it. In the 3D window, use the Move Styline tool to lengthen the skirt. Open the Fabric tab in the Library window. Choose from a variety of fabrics and drag your favorite fabric to the Fabric window to apply it. I searched for silk and applied silk charmeuse. Once the fabric is selected, you can adjust the various options in the Property Editor window to make changes to the garment. I'll change the color. Select the whole pattern with the Transform Pattern tool to decrease the value of particle distance. Simulate to see wrinkles quality of garments. In the 3D window, you'll see if your avatar is properly dressed. You can export your finished garments to the Unreal Engine through Main Menu, Help, Marvelous Designer Live Sync. Please refer to the Live Sync manual for more information.